Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in Chicago. We came up for a short trip this weekend and we're doing some cool things while we're here. Tonight we're going to the Christmas market.
Yeah, so we're doing our holiday checklist here in Chicago, but we've actually never been here together. I came once as a little kid.
And I came once in college for a very cold, quick trip as well.
Yeah, so we're doing a few of the touristy things as well, which means we're starting off at the Bean, which is actually called Cloud Gate. I think it's actually a cloud, not a bean.
Oh, there you go. I didn't know that. It's cool. If you've never been here, this giant bean is a complete mirror, and if you walk around it, you can get some cool shots of the city in the reflection, all warped and stuff.
It's
iconic.
Super cool, and because the sunset at 4 o'clock this afternoon, it's the perfect time. We got here right around like sunset time, so it's still a little bit bright out. Cloud bean thing looks really cool, reflecting the sunset.
All right, so we're gonna head out to the Christmas market. I've got a surprise that I'm gonna give Holly while we're there, and we're gonna take you along. Let's go. Sorry, Kenny. Waving the bean. On our way through the Bean Park, Millennium Park, they've got ice skating. They're currently Zamboniing it. But this is cool, look at the crowds. Everybody's out tonight. The last few days were icy cold, like in the low single digits. But today's pretty good, it's in the 50s, so everybody's out taking advantage of the warm weather.
Yeah. They just reopened the rink. Now we're back in the U.S. and I'm like, oh, those people speak English. They must be from America. And then I remember that we're in America.
It's funny. Do you ever wake up and forget where we are?
Yes, I did that this morning.
Did you?
Yeah. I was trying to figure out where we were, and I remembered we were in Wisconsin, but I couldn't figure out were we in a hotel or someone's house. Not often. I don't do that often, but I did do it this morning. All right, we found the entrance. Just a line.
Oh my. Alright, let's go get in it. Alright, so we waited probably about 15 minutes in line, and we're finally about to go in. This is wild, guys. It is jam-packed. There are so many people. Yeah, and the weather's nice, so that's why everybody's out. But I wanted to get Holly her first surprise. Well, her only surprise. I brought it with me, or so I told her. I said, Holly, remind me to grab the surprise and bring it so I can give it to you at the Christmas market. But it's not something I brought. It's something we're getting.
Have you seen it yet?
Right here.
Hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate. Drinks to go. Mix and sticks. I have no idea where the line is for this guy.
Alright, we gave up on the first one because there was a huge line and it was $10. We kept walking and now we're at a second one where it says $5. And the line's about a third as long, so. But it's cash only, which might be why the line is shorter. Yeah, I don't know if it's because it's the weekend, it's very crowded.
Yeah, it's almost not
I mean, you can't even look at the stall. There's so many people.
Look at this. It's like we're Waffles.
Yeah. Would you rather just take a loop around and then come back to our hotel and get hot chocolate for free?
Is it open tomorrow?
It's open tomorrow.
We can come back tomorrow. Let's get a hot chocolate. Are you in line?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. Hot chocolate.
Good whole one party person.
Apple cider.
Apple cider.
One hot chocolate in a paper cup?
Yeah.
Paper cup chocolate. Would you like whipped cream? $5.
Thank you. For you.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Of course, enjoy.
Got it.
All right.
I got apple cider on the
It's steaming, so I'm gonna give it a minute before I take a big sip of it. But it's heating up my hand.
Oh my god, look at there. It sucks.
Not going to that area between the.
All right. Trust you to follow me.
Yeah.
Oh, this is just.
Rottenberg. We were there this summer.
Yeah. Oh, you should watch that video.
Here.
Rotenberg, Obertauber.
Okay, this place is the Madhouse. Andrew just said to me, I think it's kind of just a tourist trap now. And I said, if European Christmas markets are like this, I don't need to go. But anyways, we're going to kind of do a loop around, just kind of see what we can see, which isn't much because there's so many people here. But we're going to try and come back in the morning. It's Monday morning, so I feel like there will be a lot less people here during the day and on a work day. And hopefully we'll get a few more shots of the shops and maybe buy some souvenirs, try some food. For now, I'm going to enjoy my hot chocolate and try and walk around this place. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
All right, guys, it's day 2 here in Chicago. It's a little bit nicer out today. We're going to try a second attempt at the Christmas market because last night was too crazy, too crowded. But first, we've got a quick pit stop. We're going to check out Navy Pier, which is along the water. Are you excited?
Yes.
The whole bridge was shaking.
Yeah. Let's get off this bridge.
All right, let's go.
We made it to Navy Pier, and it's all decorated for Christmas, which is super cool. We're here in the middle of the day, so the lights aren't really lit up, but it's still really nice. Andrew told me to tell you guys everything I know about this pier, which is absolutely nothing. I didn't know it existed until he said he wanted to come over here. So we're gonna walk out on the pier. We're gonna be brief because we want to hit the Christmas market before we have to head to the airport, but we'll show you guys around as we walk the pier.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. No line to get in.
Oh, good.
Sign.
We made it back. Try number 2. Aw, so festive.
Wanna go that way?
Yes. Oh, it is a lot bigger than we thought. It goes way
Yeah.
back there.
Like 2 to 3 times as big as I thought last night. And it's 2 to 3 times less crowded.
Yeah, you can actually space out.
Yeah, you can kind of walk around. It's still pretty busy. Like, check out the line for hot chocolate.
Not right now. We're going
Ah.
going out.
No. So these candles behind us, I thought they were made of cheese, but they're made of honey.
Okay.
Everything from this store is made from honey.
Wax made of honey.
Compared to last night, it's much better, so I recommend coming during the day, in the middle of the week, or on a weekday. There's still lines for everything, but it seems to move pretty quickly. I will say almost everywhere has a sign that says cash only, so if you plan to do shopping or eating or drinking, bring a wad of cash with you.
A lot of cash.
A wad. Well, because everything's expensive too.
All right, guys, that's it for us from Chicago. We're gonna head back to sunny Orlando. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. The biggest thing you can do to help us is let your friends and family know. We've got lots more videos coming. And
If you're interested in booking a trip like this or a vacation anywhere around the world, please reach out to me as I am an official travel advisor and I would love to help you plan your next vacation.
she's really good at it, I promise. All right, we'll see you out there. Have a good one.
We'll
And
see you
Merry
in
Christmas.
the new year, yeah.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.